Managing partners across different regions can be a tricky task, but PartnerStack is here to simplify things, making it easy to collaborate with partners globally. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to manage partners from different regions using PartnerStack so you can streamline your partnership processes, save time, and focus on growth. PartnerStack is a platform designed to help businesses scale their partner programs. Whether you're working with affiliates, resellers, or referral partners, PartnerStack offers a centralized system to track and manage everything. But the real power comes when you're managing partners across different regions. The first thing you'll want to do is set up custom regions and assign partners to those regions within PartnerStack. This can be done in the settings of your partner portal. Custom regions allow you to organize your partners based on their location, making it easier to target specific markets and track performance region by region. It's all about getting the right partners in front of the right customers. Once you've created these custom regions, you can assign them to different partner accounts. This ensures that each partner sees the relevant content and resources that align with their market. For example, a partner in Europe might need different marketing materials than one in the US. By segmenting your partners this way, you can personalize their experience without manually sorting through each account. But that's not all. PartnerStack allows you to create specific commission structures based on region, giving you the flexibility to offer different rewards depending on where your partners are located. This is incredibly useful if you want to incentivize partners in high-growth regions or adjust commission rates for different global markets. You can manage this all from one place, and it's a huge time saver. Tracking performance by region is another key feature. PartnerStack's dashboard gives you the ability to view detailed analytics, breaking down performance by region, individual partners, or campaigns. This data is essential for understanding where your most profitable partnerships are coming from and where you need to focus your efforts moving forward. Whether you're tracking sales, leads, or clicks, you can get granular insights into every region you're working with. Now let's talk about communication. PartnerStack provides a centralized messaging system where you can communicate with partners individually or in bulk. This is especially useful when you need to send region-specific updates or promotions. Whether you're dealing with a partner in Asia or Europe, you can tailor your messages to address the unique needs of each market. Another benefit is the ability to onboard new partners region by region. PartnerStack offers a seamless onboarding process that you can customize for different regions. This includes automated training, personalized welcome emails, and easy access to marketing materials. By offering region-specific onboarding, you make sure your partners are fully equipped to succeed from day one. Finally, automation is a huge part of managing partners across regions. PartnerStack allows you to automate tasks such as partner payouts, reporting, and communication. This makes it easy to scale your operations as you expand into new regions without adding more manual work. For instance, you can automate payout schedules based on region-specific guidelines, making sure each partner is paid on time according to their local currency and tax regulations. If you're new to PartnerStack and want to dive into all these features, you can actually use the software completely free through the first link below. And not only that, when you sign up, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial. This is a great way to see how PartnerStack can help you manage partners from different regions, all while providing the right tools and insights to grow your business. So, make sure to check out PartnerStack and see how it can help you scale your partnerships worldwide. Managing partners from different regions doesn't have to be complicated. With the right tools in place, you can easily navigate global partnerships and drive more results.